Welcome to Story Today. Rasikh Salam is an Indian cricketer who is known for his bowling skills, particularly his right-arm medium bowling style. He has taken a total of 12 wickets in T20 matches for Jammu and Kashmir between 2019 to 2023. Who is your favorite bowler? Comment below. Rasikh Salam's journey in cricket is not just a tale of talent, but of tenacity. From a small town in South Kashmir called Ashmuji, this young man defied the odds to etch his name in the annals of Indian cricket. Born in the turn of the millennium, Salam's cricketing journey began on the dusty streets of his hometown. With limited resources and opportunities, his raw talent shone through, catching the eye of local coaches and selectors. His ability to generate pace and swing the ball was something special, something that couldn't be ignored. Fast forward to 2018, Salam's big break came when he was selected to play for the Jammu and Kashmir team in the Vijay Hazare Trophy, a prominent domestic one-day cricket competition in India. His performances were nothing short of remarkable, attracting the attention of talent scouts from the premier cricketing leagues of India. He's known to clock over 140 kilometers per hour, which is considered quick for this type of bowling. One of his biggest strengths is his ability to swing the ball. This means the ball can deviate from its expected path in the air, making it difficult for the batsman to hit. The year 2019 marked a turning point in Salam's career. He was picked up by the esteemed Mumbai Indians franchise in the Indian Premier League, making him the youngest player from Jammu and Kashmir to earn this honor. This was not just a personal victory for Salam, but a moment of pride for the entire region, as it highlighted the potential of untapped talent in Kashmir. However, the road to success was not a smooth one for Salam. He faced his share of setbacks, including a suspension for age fraud. But these roadblocks did not deter him. He held his head high, kept his focus, and continued to work on his game. His resilience was rewarded with a strong comeback. Some experts have even compared his bowling style to the well-known Indian fast bowler Bhuvneshwar Kumar, known for his swing bowling. Overall, Rasikh Salam is a talented young fast bowler with the potential to make it big in Indian cricket. While his career has been interrupted by a ban, he has a bright future ahead if he can keep developing his skills. Salam's journey is a beacon of inspiration for aspiring cricketers, particularly those hailing from smaller towns and less privileged backgrounds. It's a testament to the power of dreams, the strength of perseverance, and the potential for talent to flourish despite one's circumstances. Who is right-arm medium bowler in India? Comment below. His story is a reminder that with hard work, determination, and a pinch of talent, anyone can overcome obstacles to achieve success at the highest level of the sport. Indeed, Rasikh Salam's journey is more than just a cricketing story. In summary, Rasikh Salam is an Indian cricketer who has made a comeback to the IPL after a gap of 8 years and has been recognized for his potential in the domestic cricket circuit. His journey in cricket has been inspiring, and he continues to make a mark in the Indian cricket scene. Thank you for watching Story Today. If you find the content inspiring or interesting, I would appreciate it if you could like, comment, and share the video with your friends and family.